Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I will show you guys today how I prepare my peppered chicken. The first thing we are going to do is to wash our chicken. Next, I will be spicing it with my onions, half a tablespoon of salt, here I'm going to be using 2 seasoning cubes, and half a tablespoon of thyme. I will be adding water to boil it for about 10 minutes. This is because I am using broiler. The length of time you cook your chicken is dependent on your type of chicken. Moving along, here I have my green pepper and my carrots. The first thing I'm going to be doing is to scrape the back of my carrot using my knife. Then after, I'm going to cut open my green pepper and remove the seed from it. Then I'm going to wash it and chop it up into smaller sizes. I will also be adding half a bulb of onions. I will blend my onions, pepper and tomatoes until it comes out as a puree. Next, I will get a pot and transfer my puree. Then I will boil it until it's dry. Next, I'm going to get a dry pot and pour in my oil and leave it to heat for some time so as to begin our frying process. When the oil is hot enough, we're going to be putting in our chicken one after the other, and at this point, do not overcrowd your pot. Here I get a pot and pour some of the oil I used in frying my chicken and add my puree and leave it to fry for 3 minutes. I will add my chopped onions and let it fry for 2 minutes. Remember to keep stirring to prevent your food from burning. I will be adding my carrots, green pepper and leave it to fry for 30 seconds because I want to retain the crunch of the carrots. I did not add everything because my sauce was not much. At this point, you realize that your peppered sauce is thick, so you could get a spoon of your chicken stock, that is the water you got after cooking the chicken, and add into the sauce. I'm going to be seasoning it with 1 seasoning cube, add about a teaspoon of salt, lastly I'll be adding my chicken and I will coat it with my peppered sauce. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and until next time, bye.